What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be putting my wheels back on my car with some brand new tires. So you may remember that last video I bought myself some new wheels and tires for this car, but the tires that I had on them were way too big. So I went over to SA Motorsport Tyres and I saw Mark Povey, and he hooked me up with some brand new tires for this thing. He gave me a ripper deal. So thank you very much to Mark and SA Motorsport Tyres. So he hooked me up with some Ceylons, which you probably never really heard of, which I haven't either, but I've heard that a lot of the drifters here in SA use this tire and it lasts quite a while. So it seems like a really good tire. It looks pretty cool. It's not like an ugly looking tire, which is good. I am weird when it comes with that stuff. I really like to have a good wheel and tire package. I don't want like an ugly tire. It just ruins the wheel aesthetic for me, in my opinion. So now I've got a 205 40/17, whereas before I had a 215 45. So this should be a much better size. It shouldn't rub on my guards as much, because I definitely did some damage under there, and it's I think it also rubbed, yeah, it rubbed on like this bracket. You can't really see, but it rubbed on everything basically. So these wheels, well, sorry, these tires should fit much better with a much smaller tire. I'm too impatient. Let's just get these wheels and tires on this car. I'm dying to see what it looks like. Alrighty guys, got the new tires on and they look so much better. Like, there's actually gaps in the wheel arch. How cool is that? So yeah, so obviously these fit a whole lot better than those 215s by 45s. These 205 40s fit so much better. Also, I forgot to mention, if you didn't notice, I actually put my old side skirts back on. They do need repainting, just like most of this car. But I thought I'd put them on just to get the look. But I reckon let's get this car outside and get a look at it while there's still some daylight left. Wow, what a difference that has made. This car looks so much better with the new wheels and those new tires from SA Motorsport Tyres. So thank you again, Mark, for helping me out getting those tires. It's finally made this car drivable now. It won't rub on all my guards, and it looks a hell of a lot better, especially compared to the stockies. It looked atrocious. So just a quick video here. The reason for that is because I'm going to go to Sydney Motorsport Park to do some testing in the V8 Super Ute again. So I'm very excited for that again. And I'll bring you guys along the ride again. I'll be leaving for the airport tomorrow, so wish me luck. And I'll see you guys very shortly. Thank you for watching.